let me introduce myself. I'm Dea Mandana Prelia Yonata Mutiasari, student number 76. Today I will to speak about something very essential in our lives. Something that can shape our future, broaden our understanding, and protect us in this modern era. That is the importance of reading. Many people think that reading is just about finishing a book or passing an exam. But the truth is, reading is a skill and a habit that influence every single aspect of our lives. Reading is not only about word on page. It is about learning, understanding, and making wise decisions. Let us begin with the most common reason why we read. Reading for learning. From the moment we start school, reading becomes the foundation of our education. When we read textbook, article, and assessment, we are not simply memorizing information. We are training our brains to process knowledge, to think critically, and to connect ideas. Reading allows us to learn subjects like mathematics, science, history, and literary in a deeper way. Without reading, learning becomes almost invisible. That is why reading is often called the gateway to education. But reading is not only about school, it is also about gaining new knowledge. Every book, every article, and every piece of reading gives us something new. For example, when we reading about history, we understand now the world has changed. When we read about science, we discover how technology improves our life. When we read about culture, we appreciate the city people around us reading and adds layer of knowledge that shape who we are. Reading also helps us understand things more clearly. Sometimes we hear information from others, but without reading, we cannot fully grasp it. For example, if someone tells us about climate change, we may only get a surface level idea. But when we read article, research, and report, we gain a much clearer and deeper understanding. Reading is the key to moving from opinion, knowledge, from guessing, and knowing. Another very important aspect is reading in the context of news and information. In today's digital, we are surrounded by information from social media, website, and online platforms. Reading the news keeps us updated about what is happening in our country and in the world. It gives us awareness of issues like political health and the economy. However, not all news is true. Many online sources spread false information, known as hoax. Some even create fake news or scam to mislead people. This is why reading carefully and critically is very important. When we read the news, we must check the source, compare information, and make sure it is accurate. By doing so, we protect ourselves from falling into hoax and online fraud. For example, if we receive a message saying we won a big prize, we should not believe it is immediately. We must read the detail, check the sender, and confirm whether it is real. Reading with a critical mind saves us from many dangers in this modern era. Besides protecting us, reading the news also adds to our knowledge. By reading daily updates, we learn about international events, new discovery, and social issues. This makes us more aware and responsible citizens. Imagine if we never read the news, we would live in ignorance, disconnected from the world around us. In business, reading report and trend help entrepreneur make the right decision. In technology, reading manual and research allow engineering and programmer to create innovation. In every field, reading is the foundation of progress. Reading improve our language and communication skill. When we read, we learn new vocabulary and new ways of expression ide. This makes us better speakers and readers. A person who reads aloud can explain ide more clearly, write more effectively, and communicate it more confidently. Let us also not forget the role of reading in our personal lives. Reading story, novel, or biography allow us to experience different emotions and perspectives. It teaches us empathy and imagination. Now you must ask, how can we start? The answer is simple. Reading does not always mean finishing a thick book. Reading can be short and simple. We can read article, essay, or even a few pages of book each day. What matters is not how much we read, but how consistent we are. Just like exercise for the body, reading is exercise for the brain. Okay, to conclude, let me repeat. Reading is not only about passing exam. Reading is about learning, gaining knowledge, and understanding the world. It is about protecting ourselves from false information, about become smart citizen, and about building our future. Reading open door the education, career success, personal growth, and social awareness. So, let us build the habit of reading. Read to learn, read to grow, read to protect yourself from misinformation, and most importantly, read to become a better version of yourself. Because when we read, we do not only gain knowledge, we gain the power to change our lives. That's enough for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.